Hey there, welcome to AI Tools Academic Channel. Today I will guide you through how to install VS Code and set up GitHub Copilot. To install VS Code in the Mac system, first let's go to your browser, type VS Code, and you will see this official website for VS Code, and then click download. And then you go to this page, you will see they have the different version for different system. So mine is Mike with M series. So I click this one. And once we click, it'll be downloaded here. And then you can go to your folder to see your download file. To install it, you need to unzip first, double click. And then you see your VS Code here. In fact, you already have the VS Code installed here. To verify you successfully installed your VS Code, you can check like this way. And go to your spell search and search the VS, and then you'll see your VS Code here, and then click it, open, and then that means you successfully installed your VS Code. I want to show you another very useful tool. It's called GitHub Copilot. And here, he will come with this way. If you're not, you can click this one. Then you can sign in. But before you sign in, you need a GitHub account and keys. So now let's do it. So it will take you to another page. And then because I already have my GitHub and already signed in, but let me show you. The first time you will see it'll be going to this page, and then you need to type your username and a password. And then you click sign in and authorize VS Code and allow. Once your GitHub Copilot is set up, you can try to ask a question to do the test. For example, here, I put like a write a function to calculate the cost token of the GPT-4. And then he'll give you a version of the code, which is well documented to do the to finish your code. Meanwhile, if you find this video is helpful, please like it and share your comments and suggestions below. Do not forget to subscribe if you want more useful AI tools soon. Thank you.